Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and welcome to this unboxing of this HobbyPlus 1/18 scale Arktos 6x6. Now I'll have to admit that I've already opened this up, so it's not an actual unboxing, but you'll see what is included in this package. I did open it up at Proline by the Fire. I just had to take it out and run it with my friend Steve. He has a yellow Arktos 6x6, and I'm sure he's going to do great things with it. If you haven't checked out his channel before, check out RCSteve710 on YouTube. He's also on Instagram, so check him out. He's like the Micromaster. Alright, well, let's take a look at this box. So you don't really see much from the box. You can't really see what it is until you get to the back. Now, right now it only comes in two colors, blue and yellow. You can see here I've got the blue one. The yellow one's pretty nice too. The yellow one actually has a gray bed with a yellow cab. This blue one has a blue cab with a black bed. So on the side of the box here, kind of running out of room, but you can see some schematics and the dimensions and approach angles of this Arktos 6x6. See the vehicle specifications, length, height, width, wheelbase. And here are some of the features. Now make no mistake, this rig has a bunch of features out of the box. Like a bunch of features out of the box. So well worth it. I highly recommend it. And let's go take a look at what this thing has. Alright. I don't exactly remember if this is how it's packaged, but since I have opened it already, here's the instruction manual. You've got your charger right here. This looks like a sway bar or something like that. Don't remember what these are, but they look like sway bars. You can see I've already opened it. Here is the radio. Let's move this out of the way here. Now, what you'll notice about this radio is that there are actually a lot of buttons, and there's a reason for that. Like I said before, this rig has a lot of features. So you'll see your usual wheel. Here is some of the adjustments that you can make on the radio, your usual throttle and steering trim and dual rates. But you'll see all these right here. It's got what seems to be like a 6-channel dip switch. So a little bit on that. So of course you got your throttle, which is probably channel 2, steering channel 1. Then you got this button right here, which is channel 3. Then you've got this button right here, which is channel 4. You've got this knob right here, which is channel 6. This looks like it goes back in place, so, or sorry, channel 5. Then you've got this 3-position switch right here, which is channel 6. So 6-channel radio out of the box. What could they all be for? Well, let's take a look. Oh, and by the way, RC Steve's sticker, once again. Speak more on that later. So we've got extra pieces that came with. I think there was like a revision or something, which is probably why I have these extra pieces. But here are links right here. And extra drive shaft parts right here. Alright, so you can see Mine is already dusty. Take the last thing out of the box here. Alright, so these are RC Steve 710 links for the Arktos. Titanium links. I'll put a link to these in the description below. Basically, hit him up on Instagram and you can message him. You can probably hit him up on YouTube as well. But I'll save this for a future video. I'm not going to worry about these right now. But this will be one of the first mods I do to this Arktos 6x6. Alright. Yeah, it's dusty because I've already taken it out. But here is the 6x6 rig. It's got some nice tires and it's got foam in them. Here's the cab, really well detailed. This thing is really cool, man. Here's the bed. Now with the bed, you've got these pull-out ramps. If I can just remember how to do it. Come on now. Where'd they go? Oh, you know what? There you go. It's got pull-out ramps. Really cool, right? Right here, these guardrails can go down. A working winch right here. This thing actually works. It's hooked up to the servo and everything. Oil-filled shocks. And this one, you open the cab by pressing these two tabs here to release the cab. And you can flip it open. So here is the front where the ESC receiver is. Here's your battery. It comes with a 600 milliamp battery. So pretty cool stuff. Let's actually plug this in. So I can show you all the features. Alright. Alright, so we'll go over some of this stuff. Channel 5 switch right here is for the winch. Alright, channel 6, you can change the speed of the truck. It's a 2-speed transmission. So it's got slow, and then change the switch, and it's a lot faster. Now it's a 3-position switch, and I'm not sure what the middle position is for right now. But if you go to the low, and if you go from one side to the other, it's just a low speed and fast. So gear 1 and gear 2. Not sure what channel 4 is. Can't remember what it is. I don't know if it does anything. But channel 3 right here, which is really cool, you got lights. So you got lights, press it once, you got the headlights on. You got the side markers on. Let me actually turn off the lights so you can see it better. Alright. So this is stage 1. You got lights. Turn off right here. That might work better. Headlights, side markers, and tail lights. Press it again. Gets even brighter. So there's a second stage of brightness to these lights. Press it again. Now you get some of the fog lights right here. And you get the light bar. Press it again, and you get hazard lights on. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the hazard lights. They blink. Right there. Hazard lights blinking. Press it again, and they're off. So out of the box, you got pretty good lighting setup already. So really, really cool. There you go, check that out. Second stage brightness, light bar and fogs, hazards. Let's see what. Yep. So really cool lighting setup right there. So pretty awesome. This is going to be an awesome rig, and it's going to be an awesome project. Another cool thing about this rig is it's actually got working brake lights and reverse lights. So if I drive and then brake, see that red light? Now if I reverse, I've got reverse lights. So really cool. Like a lot of features out of the box, and I really dig it. Alright, so this radio is a FlySky radio, as you can see here. So it's a 6-channel radio. It comes with a brush motor, and this brush motor is a 280 size. There has been someone who has stuck a new Hobby Fusion Mini 16 in there. So people are already modding that and, you know, trying new things. That's definitely an option that I could try in the future. It's your standard microcrawler servo. You could probably upgrade this as well, especially for 6x6. That's probably something you want to upgrade. It's got the big bore oil shocks, which is pretty nice out of the box. Actually, they're actually not bad. And these are 1.2 size bead locks. These are actually bead lock wheels, and they're 1.2 size. So this is a really cool rig, and it's going to be awesome to kind of run out there and have some fun with. So really excited. Stay tuned for a running video. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future updates on this HobbyPlus Arktos 6x6. Thanks for watching.